So guys, if you have seen the last video, we have created some shapes with the help of clay. Now we are gonna stiffen them so that they don't break easily. For the baking process, you will need a pot, some sawdust, some sand, and some coal. So first we'll fill in the sand up to a certain level, then you will fill in some sawdust. Then starting from the smallest size of area of earrings or whatever you have made that you have, you will fill in them. Then you will put another layer of sawdust, and then again you will go to the next higher level till you complete filling in all the jewelry or whatever clay stuff you have made. There is a change in the way I'm gonna do videos from now. I hope you like it, and the change is that previously I used to show you just the process and not explain it much, but now I'm gonna explain you how to do it detailedly so that you get the most information possible without not completely understanding the process. It's better that you understand the process also. And I used to talk something else, but now what I'll do is that I'll just give you my ideas at the end of the video. After filling in all the jewelry or everything that you have made with clay, you will put in coal on top. What you're gonna do is that you will initiate the flame from the top, so more surface area jewelry that you have made should be on the top so that they get baked properly and get stiffened properly, and the lesser surface area ones can be at the bottom. If they are at the top, they will be exposed to heat for the longest time period. And now to initiate the flame, you need to have some inflammable substance, diesel, kerosene, or anything. You pour that and you initiate the flame. After initiating the flame, you will make sure that the whole area wherever there is coal gets covered with flame and it burns for few minutes so that the whole coal gets heated up and it gives heat to the sawdust that is below the coal, and then the jewelry gets heated up. This process to get completed, it takes at least 8 to 12 hours, and to cool down a couple of hours more, so it's better to come back the next day to remove the jewelry from it. Now after 24 hours you can remove the jewelry, it's all cooled up. after baking process. So, coming to the idea that I wanted to share with you guys today is to find your passion. We have seen many people around us saying that some particular thing is their passion and they're working towards it with so much of interest because they are passionate about it. They all say that something is their passion, but they never try and tell you how they ended up finding that something is their passion. So, what I think is that you will only find whether you're passionate about something or not if you try it. So, try whatever you see around you, then you'll know if you're passionate about it or not. You can be passionate about multiple things. That is really cool because if you're passionate, you will not know the time and you will sit and work towards it with more interest. And this here is one of my oil paintings, and below it is the wall painting. I'm sharing it only with those who have seen the whole video, not because I want to discriminate and all, but I wanted to share something worth seeing with you guys. So, here is one of my artworks. Maybe I'll continue doing the videos in this format for a few days, hoping that you have liked it. Thank you for watching.